Hello, I'm Michael
And I'm Jill.
for Michael and Jill's Travel Adventures. Just wanted to again give some packing tips using packing cubes. We're going on another 7-day cruise, and this is basically what we've got that is going in the suitcase. Um, Real quick, we've got uh, shorts and pants, shirts, all of my ties, and underwear and socks. And that's basically going to be packed in a large suitcase along with Jill's stuff. This is our shoes that we're taking.
Um,
And
this is going to be my romper wearing the first night, a sundress I can wear during the cruise, my t-shirts, swimsuits. I broke my cardinal rule. I didn't try them on in time, so I'm actually packing an extra one because I'm not sure if they're going to work. I do have a pair of flip-flops. Something I do is I match all my stuff to one pair of shoes, so I don't take as many shorts and my unmentionables here. But and then I'm also my black heels right there. They match all the dresses I'll wear this week. So that's just a tip I do because I hate packing too much crap. And then I hate when I get there and I don't wear it after I spend all the time packing it. So this has been an unusual packing for us because we're actually going up a few days earlier to spend some time with our son and our grandkids. So unfortunately, we're not going to be home like we normally are.
I'm Michael
And I'm Jill.
for Michael and Jill's Travel Adventures. See you soon.